smoked sausages. Poor guy here. You know, this is not anything new. I'm just gonna try it out. I'm gonna smoke these. These are brats. Just plain old, good old fashioned brats. No weird stuff added to them. I want to try smoking them. I've never smoked a brat before. It's a thing, right? Lots of people have done it. Uh, so I want to try it. I want to see how it goes and what they taste like. But what I'm going to do first is I'm gonna put some olive oil on these. I'm going to brush it on there because I did learn that when you put olive oil on it, it keeps the casings less likely to split. And I'm going to add some seasoning to it. So let me show you what we're going to do here. Okay, so there's our 6 brats. I got a good deal on these brats today. It was a 12 pack for less than $8. And normally you get five of them for right around $6. So they're dated today. No big deal. We're going to eat them today. We got 12. I'm going to put 6 in the freezer, and then I'm gonna cook these 6. And this is something that just Aiden and I will enjoy today for lunch. The girls won't be having this. Here is a mixture of salt, pepper, garlic, and a little bit of paprika. And let's just go ahead and load these up. I don't even know. I've never smoked brats before. Cooked plenty on charcoal and on the Monument Grill, but these are actually going to go into the Oklahoma Joe's Highland today. I just wanted to get these going ahead of time and just kind of let them sit for a little while before I cook them. Yeah. So how's everybody doing today? How's your week going? Is it going good? Are you happy? Life is good for everybody? I hope so. It's the holiday season, so whoop-de-doo and dickory-dock. Don't forget to hang up your sock. That's what I'm thinking. Wait a minute. Yeah. Yeah, why not? Let's load it up with that stuff. Like I said, salt, pepper, garlic, a little bit of paprika. I think I put some celery salt in there. Why? Because, I don't know, sounds good. So I'm going to take these out. The goal is to smoke them anywhere between 225 to 275 on the Oklahoma Joe's. Some hickory, some charcoal. I think I learned it takes about an hour to an hour and a half, depending on. It's kind of cold out today, a little bit of windy stuff going on. So, yeah, meet me outside. I'll get that thing fired up. Peace. Hey, hey, we're back. Hey, there's my Oklahoma Joe's Highland. There's my fire. It's raging right now. Yeah, I just got some of these blue hogs char logs. No, I'm sorry, they're hog logs. And these are similar to the B&B char logs. They actually work really great for establishing a good coal base. Very similar. The B&B are rounded. These have little edges, I guess, for better words. So I've got those, and that's what I'm going to use today. So let's go ahead and close this up. Right now, I'm not too worried about regulating the temperature until I put these on. I had that open, and it's reading 176, 200 on the Oklahoma Joe's, way up yonder. Let's take these brats. Let's get this done. I'm hungry. We're going to put these in the middle. So we're shooting for 165. 165 to 170. And we'll see how long it takes. We'll get this Oklahoma Joe's dialed in here and try to run that temperature right around 200 to 250. I'm fine with that. That'll be all right. 275. It's not the end of the world. The videos I watched on this takes about an hour to an hour and a half just to smoke them. So I'm interested to see how it turns out with our little seasoning on it. And yeah, I'm starving. So hopefully it'll take an hour versus an hour and a half. All right, come on back. We'll give you an update. You know what I'm saying? Peace. Come take a look. I just temp these sausage, and it's been about, I'm going to say, 35 to 40 minutes. They're all consistently reading in between 117 to 120. So we're looking for an internal temperature of at least 165, probably closer to 170 for our liking. But as you can see, they are getting smoke on them. The Oklahoma Joe's has been running right around 225 to 250. I just put on a fresh split. I'm using smaller splits on this one because it's not a very long cook. And the blue hog logs are keeping a nice cold base in there. So yeah, I'm going to say probably another 20 minutes at the most till we get to that internal temperature. This is the size hickory that I'm using. Nothing real big for this cook. So yeah, just wanted to give you an update. About 35, 40 minutes into it. So I'm going to say another 20 minutes and they'll be done. And man, I'm hungry. I'm hungry. Don's hungry too. Okay, we'll be back when they're all done, and I'll show you what they look like and slice into them and give them a taste. Peace. There they are, my smoked bratwurst. Yeah, it took about an hour and a half. I'm going to cut into these. I'm going to cut into one of these and give them a try. 165-ish. Well, they're definitely juicy. One thing I like about smoking them is you don't really lose any juice as you would with grilling. When the casing gets seared off there, you're always, ooh, man, those look good. Yeah, buddy. Let's give it a try. Oh my goodness. Aiden.
Good?
Aiden. That is way better than just grilling them. Wow. Like I said, just some salt, pepper, garlic, a little paprika. Great smoke flavor. Man, those are good. That's just regular Johnsonville. Mamma mia, this is well worth the wait. Okay, I'm digging it. That's some good stuff right there. Okay? All right. Yeah. I gotta eat. I gotta go. Peace.